Max, why are we here? You know, every
You
time.
know, this is beautiful wall. I think it would look good.
No, Max, are you kidding me? We should be in a different place.
Let's be serious.
These
and
people
let's-
aren't going to watch and pay
Let's
attention.
hit the topic.
Click here to subscribe to our English Finally channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hello, English finally.
Hi.
Good to see you back. We're back. And I have another important question to ask Joe. Joe, we talked about how to be successful, what to do. Is there anything else we can do to be successful in our life?
Yes. Yes, there is.
What is it?
You know, please let me review. We talked about reading, speaking slowly. We talked about investing. Now, what about playing games that forces you to think so that you can use the skills in the games to make better lifelong decisions?
Games?
Games.
What kind of games?
For
You mean-
example,
yeah.
For example, the game of chess. You're thinking constantly. You're thinking of every move that the opponent makes. You're thinking of every move that you make and the consequences.
How
It
about you? Do you play chess?
teaches you the ability to think ahead. If I make this move, what will the consequences be? Will it be in my advantage or will it be a disadvantage? Those are the skills we use every day in life. Every day. And that's just one game. There are many games, Mancala, Connect 4, checkers, and plenty of more games that are strategic where you must learn and think.
Let me ask you, do you think that in these days people play these games?
No. I honestly believe that the games that are being played by many people are entertaining games. Okay, you must tap the correct icon in order to make it disappear or blow up, and there's nothing wrong with those games.
It's entertaining
It's entertaining is correct.
and it's engaging.
It's engaging for sure.
What does
And
it mean engaging, by the way?
They're actively involved with it. Also, it's fun, and there's nothing wrong with that. But why not play games that make you think? Keep that brain of yours thinking, and one day it will carry over to whatever it is that you want to do in life. Did you ever think of that? We need to utilize every second of every day so that we can one day use those skills to get a job. Why
Very
not?
good, very good. So think of a new skill that you want to develop, and think of even of this entertainment that could help you to develop your skills.
Sure. You know, let's be honest. Sometimes it may not even be related. But every game that forces you to think about the consequences will assist you in life. Play with a brother or sister. There's nothing wrong with that. Start getting them in that thinking mood. You know, if I can make one more comment, the fact that schools are designed to teach you skills is wonderful. You can say you graduated with the highest honors. I'm impressed. But guess what? It's not those with the highest honors that are successful. It's those that play those thinking games and have some skills who can do and relate to real world situations. Those are the ones that are really successful. I would hire them in a heartbeat than somebody that doesn't have those skills. Think about it.
That's correct. And now I'm going to reveal one secret. We played a game of chess. Guess who won?
Guess. Take a guess. Put it in the comments section.
Put it in the comments. Very good. So that was all about games. Now we're going to turn around. That's it. See? This is a logical thinking. This is the game you're talking about. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Dream loudly until then I'll go to sleep and dream again. That's because how to